Production of new drugs plays a vital role in the development of new treatments and therapies to improve human health. But bringing a new drug to the market is a costly and time-consuming endeavor. Center for Young Bioscientists doctoral researcher Mary Astero is working on a way to reduce the time and cost associated with the production of new drugs by applying deep learning strategies.
Once a drug with the desired properties identified, in the next step, the question is how this molecule can be generated at a reasonable price from commercially available material. This question can be addressed by retrosynthesis.
In drug retrosynthesis, scientists work backwards from a target molecule to identify a series of simpler precursor molecules that can be used to synthesize the target compound. But this is not a simple process.
Generally, retrosynthesis is a costly, time-consuming, and in multi-step process. And it is guided by expert chemists with deep knowledge of chemical reaction.
The vast amount of knowledge and data on biochemical pathways makes finding the optimal approach difficult and complex. New tools and methods like deep learning could help establish this quicker and with better outcomes.
Deep learning is a subset of machine learning, works with a massive amount of data, and for training a network based on deep learning, we need huge amount of data. In the past, when people want to study retrosynthesis, they used a string representation of molecules. But in this study, one of the novelty is we use graph representation of molecule. Graph representation is the most natural way of the representation of molecule. In that way, nodes are considered as atoms, and two nodes are connected to each other if there is a covalent bond between them.
However, graph representation is considered to be a costly and time-consuming method. To overcome this, the researchers base the deep learning on reaction centers, where atoms or bonds change during the reaction.
To identify reaction center, we need a knowledge of atom mapping, which means which atom in their substrate is corresponds which atom to product.
With easy access to publicly available big data sets, this joint effort of machine learning specialists, biochemists, and biologists has potential to significantly accelerate the retrosynthetic analysis of new target molecules and lead to quicker delivery of new drugs to the market. These methods can be applied to the retrosynthesis of any chemical compound and can have a substantial industrial impact.